The Equine Therapy program at the Bay Pines VA healthcare system provides veterans with therapeutic interventions through respectful partnerships with horses. The approach to the program is built on evidence-based coaching methods designed specifically to empower veterans to successfully address adaptive challenges.
The whole premise of the program is to really allow people to enter into a reflective experiential learning environment that is unique and novel. And one of the things that we've learned through our research is that novelty of experience is a trigger to transient events. It actually helps trigger creativity and allows actual neurogenesis in the prefrontal cortex to start to emerge. So there's actually biochemical changes in the brain that are occurring when people are in nature and working with the horses in this environment, because it's typically a very unusual experience for people. It's usually their first time with a horse.
With equine-facilitated experiential learning and elements from traditional coaching modalities, the approach focuses on the self-reflective process that emerges through the development of the horse-human relationship in specifically designed ground-based exercises.
For me, it's helped me reestablish relationships with people that I've been dealing with. It's helped me reestablish just to be able to live life with a better quality of life, I think. And it's been extremely helpful for me.
The Equine Therapy program's reflective exercises help veterans demonstrate different states of being, helps them discover new, easy-to-use tools for coping and dealing with anxiety, and teaches them useful techniques to better respond to stimuli in stressful times.
The positive impact that the VA has introduced into the classroom with recreation therapy programs like this is that, once you are in the classroom for so many hours a day, and then you have the opportunity to go out on a weekday to participate in an outdoor activity like this and have that relaxation, but yet use what you've learned during the week, and then go back into your regular schedule, you really feel motivated to put in the work, because you see how well what you've learned works out in the real world.
As prey animals, horses are highly sensitive to their environment. A horse's primary survival mechanism employs emotions as information. They feel an emotion, discern the message behind the emotion, take appropriate action, and return to grazing.
We're here for equine therapy. Specifically, a lot of people think about equine therapy as just therapeutic riding, which it is. It's a great, it's a great intervention. We do what's called equine assisted experiential learning. And what we do is a lot of team building, we call it ground level activities. And we learn about the horses. We learn about their behaviors, how they communicate with each other, just a lot of just horse education in the beginning. And then we start to talk about ourselves in that same matter, how we communicate, how we interact with others, and then we can kind of transfer what we learn about the horses into our everyday life.
By partnering with horses, veterans learn to ask for space, set healthy boundaries, lead without force, relax without losing awareness, and rebuild trust.
You can't reach everybody with conventional therapies. So some people respond better to this type of environment. We've seen veterans who would have very little interaction with humans while in the programs. They blossom here and end up realizing they can talk to a horse and feel comfortable and feel non-judgmental. And then we see that transfer to how they react with peers after they've come on the outing.
The Equine Therapy program at the Bay Pines VA healthcare system is offered as one of the many recreation therapy activities available to eligible veterans. To learn more about the Bay Pines VA Healthcare System's Recreation Therapy Program, please visit www.baypines.va.gov/services/rts.asp.